everybody needs to enable two-factor authentication right now. Go on, I'll wait whilst you do it. Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. I've kind of lost count of them nowadays. Two-factor authentication is something that everybody needs. Please, for the sake of someone who sees a lot of stuff going on out there in the online world nowadays, trust me when I say you need to enable two-factor authentication on everything that holds any form of important information. Whether that's your Facebook account, your company email account, your bank logins, absolutely anything that's got sensitive information on there needs to have it enabled. Now, most online services will have them built in. It's a free feature you can switch on. And things like Office 365, Gmail, they've all got it built into their systems. So you might be wondering what two-factor authentication is, or 2FA as it's been shortened. Now, just think to how you're currently logging on to your systems, to your web pages, your websites. All you traditionally need is a username and a password. Now, two-factor authentication works a bit like your bank probably works, in that you need your username, you need your password, but you need a second factor authentication, you need a second password to get in. And typically that could be a text message that they send to your phone, it could be a code that you generate from an app on your phone, sometimes it can even be a phone call that reads out a code to you that you can then type in. It's just something that you need to provide there and then that's completely different to what you needed to provide 2 minutes ago or 30 seconds ago. It's something that continually changes. You couldn't then take that same password and use it to log in again 5 minutes later. It changes constantly. The benefit being that if someone has your username, if someone has your password, they still can't get into your account because they don't have that second factor authentication. If I was to try and hack into somebody's account, it's totally gonna fall over. Now, if I was trying to hack into somebody's account, I'd pop in the email address that I know for them, and then I'd try the forgot my password link. Now, some of the websites you visit, all they will do is ask you 2 or 3 personal questions, and then they'll let you reset your password there and then. So if they are simple questions you can easily find out online, the university you went to, the school you went to, your dog's name, those kind of things you can probably find out online by looking through social media profiles like LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter. You can probably gather that information. Now, if that's your email account, other things generally feed into your email system. So once they've got access to your email account, they can pretty much get into anything they need to. Now, if I tried that with someone with two-factor authentication enabled, I'd log in with their email address, try and recover their password, and it would ask me for my second factor authentication. And without that, I can't do anything. And the likelihood is that the person whose account it is will then get a text message, something will come through to say, hey, someone's just trying to log into your account. I'm gonna go change my password. You need to do that straight away as soon as you receive something like that. And unless you're 100% certain that nobody else has that password, then it's worth just changing it just to be safe. Now, if you're not sure how to do it, drop a comment in the box below. We'll do what we can to help you out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you did, hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.